Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be making kielbasa bacon wraps, and this is pretty much easy. Just follow me along guys and you'll be fine. So I got some kielbasa over here. This is regular Polish kielbasa. I don't remember what brand it was, but basically what I'm doing is I'm just cutting it up into maybe 1-inch chunks, and yeah, then we're going to take bacon and wrap it around the kielbasa, and then we're going to be putting toothpicks on the kielbasa itself to hold the bacon in together. Right now I'm just trying to cut the bacon with the scissors, and watch what I'm doing and you guys will be fine. These, as I recall, they came out really great, and I can remember putting the air timer for time on. I usually put it on for about 400 degrees, and I just let it go for about 15 minutes, and then I just check it during the halfway point, and then I'll pop them out when I think it's ready to take out. And if anybody cooks with bacon, and other than the fantastic smell you get from when you cook bacon, anything tastes good with bacon. Now again, I'm doing this for the voiceover on my videos now because there's just too much crazy apartment noise, and you know, when I get quiet times like I have right now late at night time before I get ready to kill it and go to bed, I wanted to crank out another recipe for you guys to enjoy. And this is a great carnivore meal, and you know, anything, like, again, anything tastes really fantastic with bacon. And today is the final day of my carnivore for the week, and I'll be doing keto now for the next 3 days. So I hope you've been enjoying my mini videos that I've been putting up. I really take a lot of pride and dedication in what I've been doing, and I'm trying to get my videos to be better and better and better. And it's going to be really hard and difficult going to school right now. What I'm doing is I'm just dropping the bacon in onto the air fryer. If you want them a little more crunchy, you could even spray these with a little bit of oil. I probably should have done that before I put them in the air fryer, but it came out really good anyways. So what I got going on, I'm just kind of like talking over the video, and there's the halfway point with the baking wraps that were in the oven at 400 for 15 minutes. Now we got another 7 minutes to go on the air fryer time, and there you have our final product, bacon wrapped kielbasa. And like, again, these came out really fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, thanks for watching. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay vigilant. Have a great day.